What's up? You know who it is, baby. It's MRA Passive Income bringing you the best content possible. Hey, I'm telling you, you can make babies like this. These babies will make you money. All you gotta do is know what you're doing. That's why you gotta come to MRA and say, hey, Mario Money. Hey, Mr. Speaker, can you help me out? I need some help. What's up? If you don't come and see me, then guess what? You ain't gonna know what to do. All you gotta do is leave a comment, leave a little message, put a like, a subscribe, whatever you want. Just communicate with me, engage with me. Hey, tell me I suck, tell me I'm wonderful, tell me I'm beautiful, tell me I'm ugly, tell me what you want, baby. And now what I'm gonna say to you, I'm gonna say let's make some money. And you say, well, I wanna make some money, Mario. Mario, can I make some money? I said, of course you can, baby. All you gotta do is listen to what I say. Now, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna say, hey, baby, what's up? And I'm gonna hook you up, baby girl. I'm gonna hook you up like you wanna be hooked up. Now, what about you, little pretty boy over there? You wanna get the hook up too? I'll hook you up too, pretty boy. And what about you, fat boy? I'll hook you up too, fat boy. And what about you, fat girl? I'll hook you up too, fat girl. And what about the skinny one? Hey, I see you, you're that skinny where I can't see you. I'm gonna hook you up too. All you gotta say is, what's up? I'm serious, guys. I want to hook you up. I want to get you what you want. I want to help you make some money. The only way you'll make passive income is to say, what's up? Seriously, with Redbubble, you can go ahead and open a store like I did. Sell some merch. You can sell hats. You can sell beanies. You can sell baby onesies. You can sell your dog things. You can sell your blanket. You can sell face masks. You can sell a dress. You can sell phone coats. There's all kinds of things you can sell there, mama. I'm telling you, all you gotta say is what's up. I'm gonna hook you up. Who's gonna hook you up? Mario Money. Who's Mario Money? He's the speaker. Can you hear me now, loud and clear? I'm speaking to you. What's up? See you on the flip side, mama.